In this video, we will introduce some aspects related to the choice of crops for a school garden, multiplication methods, and the startup of a seedbed.
The first possibility are cabbages. The different shapes and colors in the cabbages can awake the interest in students for this type of vegetable. Secondly, another interesting crop is the artichoke. The multiplication method is usually done by vegetative reproduction, using stumps or stalks, although nowadays there are new artichoke varieties multiplied by seed. Furthermore, the potato can be also a very illustrative crop to introduce into the school garden. Lettuce comprises a wide range of types and varieties with different shapes and colors. They can be planted throughout the year, and the duration of the crop depends on climatic conditions. Another possibility is the cultivation of chard. It is very easy and has the ability to sprout again. It can be maintained throughout the school year. Finally, a crop that can also be interesting is the carrot, which is usually done by seedling in the field. Once we have chosen the crop we are going to work with, it is time to prepare the seed bed. We will need alveolus trays which come in different sizes depending on the plant. The trays will be filled with substrate based on peat, coconut fiber, or a mixture. These substrates do not provide nutrients to the plants, so if it is at all possible in school facilities, it is recommended to prepare a compost and to mix that compost 25% with the peat. The trays could be made by hand with recycled materials such as plastic glass, yogurt cups, or any other container. It is important that the container has a hole in the base to ensure adequate drainage. Before sowing, a small hole of 1 to 1.5 centimeters can be made in the substrate, where we will drop the seed, which we will subsequently bury with the same leftover substrate. Then we will proceed to water the substrate to ensure good germination conditions. To improve germination, the trays can be taken to an enclosure that guarantees good temperature conditions and also enough light. On the other hand, if you don't want to perform this seedling phase, you can acquire the plant at a professional seedbed, in a garden center, or in any other store that sells plants.